Hey there, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, the cozy corner of the internet where your dream home starts to feel very, very real. I am so glad you are here today, because we are diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, summer farmhouse decor that feels timeless, warm, and absolutely beautiful all season long. If this is your first time joining us, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Trust me, you do not want to miss a single idea we share here. And if you have been with us for a while, drop a comment below and tell me which room you are most excited to refresh this summer. Let's get into it. Your home's exterior is the very first hello it gives to the world, and in summer, it should be saying something warm and welcoming. Think classic white or creamy board and batten siding paired with dark shutters. That contrast is quintessentially farmhouse. Add window boxes overflowing with trailing petunias, lavender, or lush greenery for that cottage garden charm. A fresh coat of paint on your front door in a soft sage green or navy blue instantly elevates the whole look. Hang a simple galvanized metal house number and let climbing vines begin to frame your porch posts for that effortlessly organic, lived-in beauty. Step inside and let your entryway set the entire tone for your home. Start with a sturdy shaker-style coat rack mounted at eye level, perfect for hanging sun hats, light linen jackets, and everyday bags. Below it, add a narrow wooden bench with baskets underneath for shoe storage, keeping everything tidy but still charming. Mount a vintage framed mirror to bounce natural light around the space. A woven jute mat at the door, a ceramic tray for keys, and a small potted herb like rosemary on a slim console table complete this space with purpose and personality. Simple, functional, beautiful. The living room is the heart of the home, and in summer, it should feel airy, relaxed, and full of character. Anchor the space with a plump, linen-upholstered sofa in a soft oatmeal or warm white. Linen is breathable, casual, and very on-brand for farmhouse style. Layer in throw pillows in muted blue ticks, grain sack stripes, and faded florals. A reclaimed wood coffee table or a whitewashed trunk serves beautifully as a focal centerpiece. Hang sheer cotton curtains that billow gently, and add a large woven jute rug to ground everything. Finish with a mason jar full of fresh sunflowers. Done and done. There is something magical about a farmhouse dining table in summer. It practically begs for long, lazy dinners and good conversation. Opt for a chunky solid wood farmhouse table in a natural or whitewashed finish, paired with mismatched wooden chairs or classic ladderbacks. For your table's cape, layer a simple linen table runner down the center. Then arrange a trio of mason jars holding wildflowers, stems of eucalyptus, or garden herbs. Taper candles in worn iron holders add warmth come evening. Mix stoneware plates with simple white linen napkins tied with twine, effortlessly elegant and entirely farmhouse. The farmhouse kitchen is where function meets pure charm, and getting the details right makes all the difference. Go for shaker-style cabinetry in soft white or sage with matte black hardware for that timeless, clean look. Your refrigerator in a panel-ready or retro cream finish blends beautifully rather than competing. A classic white farmhouse apron-front sink is a must. For your stove, a vintage-inspired range in cream or matte black is the ultimate statement piece. And do not overlook the small things. A compact countertop coffee machine in a matte finish tucked into a coffee station nook with a small wooden shelf above it feels incredibly intentional and cozy. Yes, you absolutely can have a beautiful farmhouse family room with a flat-screen TV. It is all about how you style it. Mount the TV inside a shiplap accent wall or frame it within a repurposed barnwood panel so it feels intentional rather than intrusive. Flank the screen with floating wooden shelves styled with books, lanterns, and trailing pothose plants. A deep, overstuffed sectional in a warm beige or soft gray with chunky knit throw blankets invites everyone to sink in. A large woven basket in the corner corrals remotes and blankets, while a vintage-style floor lamp casts the perfect amber glow for movie nights. This is the room that works as hard as you do, and looks great doing it. Choose a unique, small vintage-style desk with turned legs in a whitewashed or warm walnut finish. Style the desktop with intention. A small antique desk clock or a domed terrarium clock adds charm without clutter, and a tiny vintage radio in cream or sage green brings the most delightful personality to the space. A built-in or freestanding bookshelf doubles as your reading nook backdrop. Layer it with books, small plants, and a woven basket. Pull in a wingback chair with a plaid throw and a slim floor lamp nearby, and you have a reading nook that is simply irresistible. Your farmhouse bedroom should feel like a breath of fresh summer air the moment you walk in. Start with a gorgeous iron or wooden headboard in a distressed white or natural finish. This piece is your anchor. Layer your bedding in soft whites, warm creams, and gentle blue or sage accents using linen and cotton. Breathable fabrics are everything in summer. A vintage-style quilt folded at the foot of the bed adds texture and warmth. Nightstands in a natural wood finish hold a small ceramic lamp and a bud vase with a single stem. Hang simple linen curtains and consider a subtle shiplap feature wall behind the bed for that signature farmhouse look. Your bathroom deserves the same farmhouse love as every other room in your home. Opt for a walk-in shower with white subway tile and a matte black rainfall shower head. Clean, classic, and endlessly stylish. For your vanity or waste-to-fill area, a vessel sink in white ceramic atop a wooden vanity in a warm stain brings beautiful contrast. Matte black fixtures throughout tie the look together. Style the counter with a small tray holding a hand soap pump, a beeswax candle, and a sprig of dried lavender. Hang a simple shiplap wood-framed mirror above, and stack fluffy white towels in an open wooden rack for that boutique hotel farmhouse feel. The garage is often the most overlooked space in the home, but a little farmhouse love goes a long way here. Install wall-mounted wooden pegboards or slatted shelving units in natural wood for tool organization that looks as good as it functions. Use galvanized metal bins and labeled chalkboard buckets to store everything from gardening tools to sports equipment. A barn-style sliding door in a deep charcoal or classic barn red instantly transforms the exterior of the garage. Hang a simple wrought iron lantern by the side door for that warm, welcoming glow at night. Even a small potted boxwood by the garage entrance makes a surprisingly big impact. Your patio is the crown jewel of summer farmhouse living, and it should feel like a true extension of your indoor spaces. Start with a sturdy farmhouse outdoor dining table in teak or acacia wood, paired with crossback chairs or a mix of wooden benches. Hang Edison string lights overhead for that magical golden glow every evening. Layer in an outdoor rug in a natural fiber or weather-resistant jute look, weave to define the space. A few terracotta pots overflowing with summer blooms, zinnias, marigolds, or trailing verbena, bring color and life. Add a galvanized metal drink tub filled with ice for a charming, effortlessly stylish, entertaining touch. A vignette is simply a small, intentional grouping of objects that tells a visual story, and farmhouse style is all about getting these little moments just right. The rule of 3 is your best friend. Always group items in odd numbers and vary the height, texture, and material. Try a wooden tray holding a candle, a small potted succulent, and a stack of linen-bound books. On open kitchen shelves, alternate between ceramic pitchers, woven baskets, and ironstone platters. Keep your color palette tight: whites, creams, warm woods, and one soft accent color. These small, styled moments throughout your home are what make it feel curated rather than just decorated. Color is one of the most powerful tools in your farmhouse design arsenal, and summer calls for a palette that feels both fresh and rooted. Your foundation should always be soft whites and warm creams, These are the backbone of any great farmhouse interior. Layer in warm taupes and sandy beiges to add depth without heaviness. For summer specifically, bring in accents of sage green, dusty blue, or a soft terracotta to reflect the season without going overboard. Natural wood tones do enormous heavy lifting here. They warm up all those neutrals beautifully. Avoid anything too bright or saturated. Farmhouse color is about whispered elegance, not shouting. If farmhouse style had a love language, it would be texture. This is what separates a flat, lifeless space from one that feels warm, collected, and deeply inviting. Think linen, cotton, jute, wrought tan, raw wood, wrought iron, galvanized metal, and aged ceramic. These materials are the vocabulary of farmhouse design. In every room, aim to include at least 4 different textures. A chunky knit throw draped over a smooth wooden bench. A rough-hewn timber shelf against a smooth shiplap wall. A soft woven rug under a distressed wooden coffee table. These contrasts create the tactile richness that makes farmhouse interiors feel so irresistibly cozy and authentic. Nothing breathes life into a farmhouse interior quite like fresh florals and trailing greenery, and summer is the absolute best time to lean into this. Visit your local farmer's market for bunches of sunflowers, zinnias, lavender, and chamomile, and simply arrange them loosely in mason jars, ceramic pitchers, or galvanized buckets. You do not need any floristry skills. Farmhouse style celebrates that natural, just-picked look. 4 longer-lasting options: dried pampas grass, preserved eucalyptus, and cotton stems are beautiful and on trend. Trail a pothose or philodendron across a shelf, and dot small terracotta pots with herbs in the kitchen for beauty you can actually cook with. Lighting is the jewelry of a beautifully designed room, and in farmhouse spaces, it needs to feel warm, layered, and purposeful. Overhead, look for schoolhouse pendant lights, lantern-style chandeliers, or simple cage pendants in black or oil-rubbed bronze finishes. These are quintessentially farmhouse. Layer in table lamps with linen or burlap shades on nightstands, console tables, and reading nooks. Always use warm white bulbs, around 2,700 K, rather than cool daylight options, which instantly strip a room of its cozy warmth. For outdoor spaces and the family room, Edison bulb string lights are your absolute best friend, creating that dreamy, ambient summer evening glow everyone loves. Here is the beautiful truth about farmhouse style. It was never meant to be expensive. Its roots are in making do, repurposing, and finding beauty in simplicity, and that is very good news for your wallet. Thrift stores and antique markets are absolute gold mines for ironstone pitchers, worn wooden frames, vintage clocks, and old crates. A can of chalk paint in warm white transforms almost anything. Old furniture, picture frames, even terracotta pots. Swap out cabinet hardware for matte black or antique brass options for an instant kitchen refresh. Layer in affordable jute rugs, inexpensive linen curtains, and grocery store florals. The charm is in the curation, not the cost. One of the smartest things about investing in a timeless farmhouse space is how easily it transitions between seasons with just a few small swaps. Your core pieces, the linen sofa, the wooden tables, the shiplap walls, stay constant and beautiful year-round. For summer, bring in lighter textiles, fresh botanicals, and a brighter floral or striped accent pillow. As summer fades into early fall, simply swap those summer blooms for dried stems, introduce a deeper terracotta or warm rust accent, and layer in a heavier knit throw. Keep a small decorative box or basket in each room holding your seasonal accent pieces, so swapping them out takes minutes, not hours. And there you have it, friends. A complete journey through every corner of a truly beautiful summer farmhouse home. From that charming curb appeal facade all the way to your glowing patio on a warm summer evening, Every space in your home has the potential to feel warm, intentional, and deeply welcoming. The best farmhouse homes are not the ones that look perfect. They are the ones that feel lived in, loved, and authentically yours. Start with one room, one shelf, one little vignette, and let the style grow naturally from there. I truly hope today's ideas have sparked something beautiful in you. If they did, please give this video a big thumbs up. It means the world to us and helps more people find this community. And if you have not already, subscribe to the Daily House Ideas right now so you never miss a moment of design inspiration. Drop a comment below and tell me which space you are tackling first. I read every single one and I cannot wait to cheer you on. Until next time, keep creating spaces you love. See you soon.